Hey, Dad.
Oh, yes, son. How is life?
Well, Father, it's
Really quite weird.
really quite weird.
Why don't you tell me about it?
You see, I have all these feelings, and I don't know how to explain them except that they
Suck.
suck a lot.
That sounds horrible.
It does.
Is it because of
Women.
women?
Yes.
You can be honest.
But also, it's...
The metaphysical attraction I have between me and my stapler.
the metaphysical attraction I have between me and my stapler.
Well, son, I think you're at that age now where I have to tell you about the birds and the staplers. You see, when a boy loves his stapler, women can get very
Annoying.
annoying. They'll get in the way of your true love with the stapler.
So, that's why Courtney the other day
Slap me right in the face.
slapped me right in the face. You can still see the mark.
I can.
Well, why do they do this? Like, is there any way to stop it?
Well, the only way to stop women is
Guns.
guns. When they see a gun, they just run away.
Father, guns are
Horrible.
horrible.
Well, not the kind of guns I have in the garage. You know, the ones that are
Semi-automatic.
semi-automatic.
Oh, you mean the ones that look like
Freaking badass.
freaking badasses?
Yeah.
But what about Mom?
Well, you see, son, Mom is actually
A really big stapler.
a really big stapler.
So that's why I've always had this need ever since I was very young to
Get in touch with my stapler.
get in touch with my stapler.
Yes.
Dinner's ready!
I love that stapler.
What do you think is for dinner?
I'm hoping it's
Metal staples.
metal staples.
Oh, I love that. I'm gonna go get some.
Good talk, son.